Welcome to
Bud TV! What is up YouTube? This is Bud TV with another episode para sa inyo. I hope you guys are all safe. We are on our 5th or 6th week of lockdown. And kung nasan man kayo sa buong mundo, I hope you are always safe. Stay inside your houses, stay indoors para matapos kagad natin itong crisis na meron tayo ngayon. And for today's episode, i-share ko sa inyo yung proper way to wash your vehicles. In our case, huhugasan ko yung Project CRV natin. As what I promised last week, kung nakita nyo dun sa previous videos natin na madumi yung CRV natin. So, I'm gonna show it to you kung paano ko siya lilinisin and sana magkaroon din kayo ng tips or may makuha sana kayo na mga proper way, may matutunan sana kayo in how I wash the vehicles. These are simple things that you will learn, and again, this is just how I wash my cars to maintain it and to make sure that it's always clean. Okay, so samahan nyo ako para ipakita ko sa inyo yung video, and I hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below for any comments, or questions, or suggestions. And wag nyo rin kakalimutan to subscribe to Bud TV. Wag nyo rin kakalimutan to click the bell icon to get notified on our future videos. So, maraming salamat sa mga new and old subscribers that subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much sa suporta. Keep on supporting, and I hope you guys enjoy and continue to support Bud TV. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Punta na tayo para masimulan na natin yung ating car wash video ng ating Project CRV. Okay, so before we start, kailangan nyong itaas muna yung mga dapat itaas, like yung wipers, open nyo rin yung gas tank covers, and then finally, you have to inspect yung mga pang-ilalim to make sure na wala kayong may iwan na white spots pagka nilinis nyo. Okay, now, we move on to the next step, which is the spraying ng kotse. This is very important because you have to be sure that wala ng mga contaminants yung sasakyan nyo or yung car nyo, to make sure na hindi mag-serve as abrasive yung mga alikabok na may iwan dyan sa sasakyan. Okay? So, spray it out. Make sure that all the dust, dirt, grime, and everything that you can remove from the car has been sprayed off by your water. Mas maganda, pressure washer. May pressure naman yung hose ko, so natanggal naman niya lahat ng mga contaminants and lahat ng mga dumi dun sa kotse. Next is putting on the soap. Pwede tayong gumamit ng detergent sa pang-ilalim and then car shampoo sa body. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng shampoo sa buhok if wala kayong car shampoo. Okay? Now, we will start with the wheels. Carefully brush the wheels one by one and then rinse them very carefully para matanggal yung dumi. Okay, bakit tayo nag-start sa wheels? To make sure na hindi maghalo yung contaminants ng pang-ilalim tsaka dun sa body nyo. May iwasan natin na magkaroon ng gas-gas yung ating car. Next thing that we need to do is we will start shampooing yung body. So ako kasi, ang ginagawa ko, I start with the roof and then I work it down dahan-dahan, portion by portion, to make sure na wala akong namimiss na parte ng kotse or panels niya. Now, after ko siya mapunasan at malinis, malagyan ng sabon yung roof, I have to rinse it first para hindi na matuyo yung detergent or yung soap or yung car shampoo doon sa roof. Now, you can use a stool or you can step on the tires para makaakyat ka dun sa roof para malagyan mo ng sabon yung bubong. Pero be careful kasi yung ganitong CRV is medyo brittle. So, may mga parts siya ng roof rail na hindi matibay. So, make sure na bago ka umakyat at kumapit is kakapit ka dun sa mga parts na sturdy and matibay. Pag nalagyan mo na at natapos mo na ang kuskusin yung roof mo, we can start rinsing the roof. And then, we move on to the body. So, para mas madali, you have to wash or put shampoo dun sa car mo panel by panel to make sure na wala kang mamimiss. You start with the windows and then start with the door panel and work your way around the car para masigurado mo na hindi mo namimiss yung mga panels na madumi. Also, wag mo rin kakalimutan na kuskusin or scrub yung running boards. Kasi yun yung mga kadalasan na hindi nalilinis dahil como hindi siya nakikita, nag-a-accumulate siya ng mud, nag-a-accumulate siya ng dust, tsaka ng dirt. So, wag niyong kakalimutan na lagyan ng shampoo or linisin yung inyong running boards. After that, we can go ahead and rinse off the body. Common indications na meron pang sabon or car shampoo yung kotse nyo is if it's still slippery to the touch. Kung medyo madulas pa siya, you have to redo it again and rinse it before you wipe it. Now, once na tapos na tayong mag-rinse off ng car natin, again, we will start drying it up. Now, start na naman tayo sa roof part para masigurado natin na napunasan na natin siya and hindi na natin siya babalikan. Take note that you have to work your way down again, pero the next thing that you have to wipe off is yung windows mo. Bakit? Kasi pagka hindi mo siya kagad pinunasan, magkakaroon siya or malaki yung chance na magkakaroon siya ng watermarks, which is really hard to remove. Pagka natuyuan ka ng water, lalo na yung ginagamit natin na water dito has a high chlorine content. So pagka natuyo yun sa glass, for sure, magkakaroon ng water spots, lalo na dun sa ating paint job. Now, once you're done with the windows, you can now start working on drying the panels. You can start with the hood, down to the grill, and to the bumpers, and then you can work your way around the car. Sumunod, yung inyong door panels, make sure na tuyo siya, yung mga door handles nyo, going down to the running boards. Last but not the least, wag niyong kakalimutan to clean and dry off yung sa loob ng doors nyo. So yung inner doors, open them and make sure that they're dry, yung mga singit ng pinto and yung ilalim ng pinto. Because yan ang number one reason kung bakit nagkakaroon ng rust. Buksan nyo rin at i-dry off yung gasoline cover. And lastly, ang pinaka-importante is to open your hood and dry off the engine bay part. Ngayon, kailangan mapunasan nyo lahat yan. Make sure na walang mga tubig para hindi mamuti ang inyong engine bay. And then lastly, don't forget to put your favorite brand of tire black and you're ready to go.
In the next stop, throw a rollie with a iced out turnst out. I see where the time's out, get my burst out, fucking time's out. Oh yeah, now you over me. Got no kids, got me daddy of the day. I be rich, ain't no money, that's the thing. Got no queen, but I'm treated like a king. I see money, I see bitches in the Bentley. How the fuck you still a loser, you a dead J. I say you don't wanna take another chance, Dre. Get the fuck out my face, I don't wanna dance straight. Hey, yeah, on my days, tell me on my days. I've been ballin', yes I'm ballin' every day. Get it bouncing, all you gotta catch a fade. I'm a alley, you can boy, you out of way.
Okay, we're back. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sana maraming kayong natutunan dun sa ating car wash video for this week. And time for our shoutouts. So, gusto ko lang, I just want to make a shoutout to Chris Adrian ng Chris Vlogs. Sir, I hope to see you soon. Tagal na nating hindi nakikita. Thank you for supporting Bud TV. To my boy, Kenneth Gonzalez. O tara na, panrun na tayo pagkatapos ng COVID-19. And lastly, kay Frank Banyares ng Bridgestone, Makati. Frank, sorry, ngayon lang ako nakapag-shoutout sa'yo. Pero shoutout sa'yo, salamat sa pagsuporta sa Bud TV. And I hope you continue watching the channel. And plugins din pala, huwag nyo rin kakalimutan to visit my friends' channels. I'm gonna put the links ng channels nila on the description box below and make sure you visit them, okay? Maraming salamat and hope you support their channels. They're also car enthusiasts just like me. So first kay Chef Ralph Ricafort ng Project 90s Vlog. Meron siyang magandang content na inihain para sa inyo. Check out his channel. Kay Brother AJ ng Dawg Vlogs. You already know. Salamat sa suporta, bro. Kay Alvin ng Ven Vlogs. Kay Bryan, kay Sir Bryan ng Auto Media. Shoutout sa iyo. Plugging your channel para magkaroon tayo ng magandang support system. Thank you for supporting Bud TV as well. And lastly, kay Miss Hazel ng Hazel Ramirez channel. Thank you so much, Miss Hazel, for supporting Bud TV. And ayun lang. So hopefully you could get to visit their channels and support their channels as well. So hanggang dito na lang tayo. Stay safe lagi. Huwag niyong kakalimutan to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below for any comments or suggestions. And huwag niyong kakalimutan to subscribe to Bud TV if you haven't subscribed yet, okay? And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified on our future videos. And again, marami pong salamat sa pagsuporta sa Bud TV. I hope to see you next week. I upload weekly videos para sa lahat. And I hope you guys subscribe and support to Bud TV always. Thank you and see you next time.